Welcome to Aguadilla. So we have now set foot on the first shore that we've been here. Now we've been through, seen some forts, and we walked through town and seen some great villages, and we drove all the way up to Aguadilla from San Juan. And it was a wonderful drive. The road's a little bit bumpy in case you are ever thinking about renting a car here. But in the end of the day, you find yourself on these beaches that surround the entire island, by the way, and it's awesome to see, awesome to be at. I highly recommend you come and see this gem that we have here within the American territories. Just so happened this morning, our Airbnb is just literally maybe 100 feet from the shoreline here, and they had a pretty big catch on some of the fishing that they did this morning apparently. So anyways, it was good to kind of be with you all and see, just to see what I'm seeing out here in Aguadilla, Puerto Rico, and we'll share more of as the day goes on. Jump in the pool. I just waterproofed it.
Oh, okay.
We have one out for waterproofing. Woo! It's a great day to be out of the beach. It's like in the morning.
10:30-ish.
Birthday, in the birthday suit. Although I have Speedos on.
Yeah, not quite birthday suit.
Quite birthday suit?
95% birthday suit.
There you go.
Morning. So, first morning in Aguada at this lovely beach place. Villas, something. We'll fill that in later. But yeah,
You know what we need?
check it out.
We need some reggae.
We do need some reggae music. Mom was up super early, walking on the beach, meeting the locals, seeing the fishing boats pull out tons of fish. We were sleeping because that's what you do on vacation. You sleep in a little bit. But now, this guy in his Speedo. So, it's beautiful. We're gonna go walk on the beach in a little bit. Just needed to cool off because it's quite toasty.
So we stayed in Aguada. Aguada is near Aguadilla, and our Airbnb was literally 100 footsteps from the shore. This morning we were able to capture not only the beautiful sun just rocking against the waves, but also the tranquil silhouette of the shadow in the palm trees against this beautiful sand in this beautiful place. What a way to start your birthday. So we're in Aguada. We're in Aguada right now.
In the water, in Aguada.
In the water, in Aguada. Like she said. Got smacked in the face. Anyways, yeah, we are here in Puerto Rico this time, bringing the beaches of Puerto Rico to you. As we see it, as we experience it, you can see all the way down the shore, down that way. They actually were pulling in some fish earlier in the day. Some gentlemen who live locally in the area. Our Airbnb is kind of right behind us up this way, but check this out.
Gorgeous.
Aguada, originally San Francisco de Asís de la Aguada, is a town and municipality of Puerto Rico, located in the northwestern coastal valley region bordering the Atlantic Ocean east of Rincon, south of Aguadilla, and west of Mocha. Aguada's population is spread over 17 barrios, and Aguada Pueblo, the downtown area, and the administrative center of the city are all found in this region. Not too far away from any shoreline, you'll find that most of these towns have its own unique beauty to present, and it only requires you to be there to enjoy them. I'm not quite sure, but this concrete development here kind of resembles maybe what might be either a part of a crane system that may have offloaded goods from ships to shore, or maybe a battle turret for protection against invaders. The Tainos, or the indigenous people of Puerto Rico, were believed to have practiced polytheism. As the Spanish began to colonize the Caribbean area, they wanted to convert the natives to Catholicism. It worked for a while, but then of course there was a rebellion. Puerto Rico was conceded by Spain in the aftermath of the Spanish-American War, under the terms of the Treaty of Paris of 1898, and became an unincorporated territory of the United States. In 1899, the United States Department of War conducted its first census of Puerto Rico, finding that the population of Aguada, this area, at the time was around 10,500 people or so. Another delight here is to see the different types of sand that you find on the beaches here. Some beaches have really, really dark sand, almost black like a volcanic ash, and others this more of what you see here, kind of a darker tan but very, very clean, very, very sifted sand. Sometimes the black and the dark tan will mix together and present sort of like swirls, almost like a pastry. Pretty neat to see. Just wanted to bring it to your attention.
About to get some lunch. We're a little hungry. Been playing on the beach for the morning, and we gotta get ready for our wedding soon. But we need to eat, so we're gonna go over here to this little sandwich place. We will see. Okay, so the one place we were gonna go to is closed, so we stopped at this awesome little market. Got some stuff. Got some sandwiches, some Cuban sandwiches. Some Gatorade to replenish the nutrients, and some groceries.
So I lost audio here for some reason or another with my camera. But anyways, what I wanted to tell you guys is that our special occasion for this particular episode was a wedding. Please join us.
So we're at Hacienda de Carina, I believe it is, and Hacienda Carina. I stand corrected again. But this is a pretty beautiful place to spend the day for the wedding. You see everybody preparing themselves and getting ready for things. This is the father of the bride here. What's up, my Jeff? Also my best man and my best buddy in the whole world. And that's Mama looking great as always. And the wedding. So you get a chance to see all of us on this special day. You see this? What about that? Puerto Rico, let's do this. So this is the venue to celebrate two souls joining together today.
Still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see, the best thing in this life's for free, and that's so true now. And there I was with my world falling apart, hoping just to get by. I played it by heart, and now I sing. I'm with you. cruising down to Mexico. I'm turning up the radio, 'cause I'm with you now. You and me, we know that love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair. Oh, I'm with you now. I was waiting for the summer to end, thinking about the good times that we had. They will never come back again, but I'm happy as can be. Don't care about what others say when I'm with you now. Through the autumn and the winter snow, keep telling all the friends we know that I'm with you now. Remember when my world was falling apart and hoping just to get by. Without knowing it, I still play it by heart and sing. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
So this wedding was in celebration of Livy and Milo, our dear niece and nephew, who celebrated their joining of union of souls for this day. And you can see here the bride and the father dance that we're able to capture on film. A once-in-a-lifetime moment.
Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thin.
Good morning, everyone. So we are still in Aguada, and some of the cool things that you see, I want to say just interesting things you see on these journeys is, for example, what you'll see right here in front of me. There is a boat out here that's in the water because these were some immigrants that were trying to migrate, I guess, from the Dominican Republic over to Puerto Rico. And a bunch of the immigrants jumped out of this boat and happened to come on shore, and I believe the authorities and other people were here. But this is kind of what you see. So you see this makeshift boat that someone made with some engines they acquired, and they came ashore. Apparently it was like 30 or 40 people. We weren't here at the time that it happened, but this is kind of, it just happened not too long ago. So you see people out here on the beach trying to figure out what the heck happened here. So just some things that you see along the journey, along the way, that I'd like to share with you, so that you can also kind of get a chance to see just what happens in different countries, but that also happens in on our own borders as well. So thought I'd share with you. Good morning, everybody. This is I believe Sunday. We had a wedding last night that we were able to attend to send off our niece with their new relationship, and wanted to share a little bit with you guys as well. So good morning again from Puerto Rico. Today we have more adventures to see and places to be, and we will definitely take you along, so stay tuned. Let's get it. So here we are at what falls, babe?
Cascada Gozalandia.
Cascada Gozalandia, which are some of the famous falls in this area. We just came out of Aguada, or from Aguadilla area, and we're headed down to Cabo Rojo, I think. On the way, we found this place. It's supposed to have some pretty cool waterfalls, so we'll show you what that looks like in a sec.
Located in the town of San Sebastian, Gozalandia are a couple of waterfalls connected by a river with many little pools to bathe in. From the parking lot, it's about a 5 to 8 minute walk down a cement pathway and steps to the first main fall.
So it's nice and shady here, going down this pathway. Waterfalls should be somewhere that way. I can hear it in the distance. You can hear the people as well. Let's go get it.
The main waterfall is about 50 feet tall and approximately 20 to 30 feet wide. There's a large, deep and clean pool at the bottom of the falls that people swim in regularly, as you can see here. Apparently, these falls have been in a few movies as well, like A Perfect Getaway.
Yeah, that's pushing my limits of daredevil. Yes. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, you jumped up higher than that.
Yeah, but I didn't have to jump out that far.
Just enough to survive.
I didn't have to jump out that far.
Can I get a high five from you guys? All right, high five. All right. All right, guys. High five. Yeah, woo. All right.
Gozalandia waterfalls should definitely be on your top 10 list of places to visit in Rico and Aguadilla and Isabela, and only 2 or so hours from San Juan if you rented a car. It's an easy and nice ride through the countryside to the falls, and we suggest using Google Maps around the island in general for the best way to navigate to and from your destinations. The second waterfall here is not as big as the first one, but well worth the continued short walk to witness its own unique beauty. This path displays the beautiful rainforest, rocks and boulders, along with stunning waterways and falls. It's more of a romantic site for couples and personal or professional photographers. Come get your shot. Come to this stop.
The water's chilly.
Water's a little chilly, but it's nice.
But it feels so good because it's so hot. I have a pina colada coming.
And the pina colada's coming.
Don't forget to stop at the nearby bar just outside of the parking lot to enjoy a cold drink before you head to your next destination. You won't regret it.
Hey guys, so we are in Cabo Rojo. This is Punta Cabo Rojo. That's what I thought I said, but Punta de Puerto or some place like that. I'll put it down here in the description of where we're at now. It's another peak. I want to say it's on the southeast side.
Southwest.
Maybe southwest. Trying to figure out how to get there. See what kind of destination this is. There's also supposed to be some like mud flats, as you can see here, these mud flats, and it's where they're supposed to be pink. Usually pink means krill or something where flamingos might even eat, so which makes them pink, right? But I think today, because it's Sunday, some places were closed, so we tried to figure out where we could possibly go to see what was recommended to see on our trip to Puerto Rico. Stand by. So we drove all the way out to this place, and honestly, I gotta tell you, not much to see here. Looks like a lot of salt flats, a lot of trash washed up on shore and things like that. But smells too, kind of like rubbish or sewage, but you don't see any sewage around. It just has that sweet sulfury smell. Doesn't smell good. Not sulfur like, you know, natural springs or anything like that, but more just like a trashy smell to it. First time, only time that we've experienced that here on the island, but just thought I'd give you guys an idea of some of the other things that we experienced, except images.
Please hit like and subscribe to our channel and the notifications button for the next episodes that we upload. We can't wait to join you on our next episode as we continue to Arroyo, Puerto Rico.